to create a circular progress indicator using Compose, and also we are going to implement Compose in the activity. In a traditional method, we use XML and Kotlin file, but we are going to implement the Compose view in the XML. So let's get started. First, we are going to create a circular box. I'm creating the function, composable function, creating the box. This one. Let me and this is an default predefined function compose. You can see so the parameters we want. And I created this circular progress indicator inside of the box, and I set the width, the height, because we are implementing this compose in the exam. So I didn't set uh, fill max size, I think. I just said, I just put width and height as a 56. So it will be compatible for our application, and I had some padding, and this is on stroke width. This usually the circular progress indicator stroke will be maybe some can you'll be able to understand when I'm showing the application now the whole preview will be not able to visible here, and I think it's rendering. Let's wait for that until you can explain this. This is the box, and we created set of the box. I created the certain progress indicator, and I said stroke with this 7 dp, and you also have an opportunity to add a color. And I said default color. It's white, black, green, symbol here. But when you run the application, if you happen to see this, it will be left there, and just create the circular progress indicator inside the function, and you don't have to put a function here and create a new activity. Just create an XML here. Have to at the tag compose view. Inside the compose view, you can adjust whatever it is, and here also you will be unable to see the preview because that is compose, and you will be unable to see the compose preview here. And this is an activity for the XML. I initialize the ID for the compose view system. There will be an app and I mentioned that I initialize the ID here, and then default function dot set content. Here you have to type this function name set to and this set and also you can do one thing. Also you also put circle here and set this name here, but I would like to do this one. I'm also adding the compose. So this video is kind of type of video. I'm also learning by typing these parameters and just learning. How it's visible. And this is what I will add the. I will add. I will add a screenshot of the circular board from my physical device. And if you don't want to run the whole application and you want to continue this circular or compose view, I click here and then when you see some icons here, so it's rendering so it's here. We will have here, if you reach an icon, that we can do the there.